Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Tech Upskill channel. This is the 7th video in our WordPress automation series using Fluent CRM. If you're just joining us, make sure to check out the full playlist. It includes all the previous videos to help you catch up and get the most out of this series. Now imagine this. A potential customer visits your website, selects the digital product or service they're interested in, and clicks to buy it. They are redirected to PayPal to complete the purchase and will receive the digital product via email only if the purchase is successfully completed, all without writing a single line of code. In this video, I'll show you how to build exactly that. A smart quote and follow-up system for selling your digital products or services using WordPress, Fluent Forms, and Fluent CRM. And now let's get started. Let's begin by uploading our media. For this example, I'll be using an ebook and a video as test products. Once the files are uploaded, I'll extract the download links so we can use them later. Before we start building the form, let's head over to Fluent Forms, then go to Global Settings and click on Payment Settings. Here, you can customize a few things. You can change the currency, add your business information like your logo and business name, and even create discount coupons if you want. In my case, I'll switch the currency to US dollars and then save the settings. Now let's start building our form. First, go to Fluent Forms and click Add New Form. Begin by adding the basic fields, name and email, and make sure the email field is marked as required. Next, I'll add a checkbox field to let users choose between two digital products I'm selling. One is an ebook and the other is a video. I'll customize this checkbox with product names and images to make it visually appealing. I'll also assign values to each option, $5 for the ebook and $20 for the video. After that, I'll add a new field and name it Price. This field will be shown conditionally based on the product the user selects. For example, if the user selects Windows Troubleshooting, it will display $5, and if they choose Fix Your Slow PC, it will show $20. Lastly, I'll make the Product to Buy field required, so visitors must select at least one option before they can submit the form. Next, I will add the payment method and remove the offline payment option, making the payment method required. Then I will add a custom payment amount field, enable calculation on it, and set its value as a numeric field. After that, I will change the button's name to Direct. Let's test it. When I click on the Direct Payment button, it redirects directly to paypal.com, so it works. Finally, I will hide the custom payment amount field by adding the class ffhidden to the container. After testing again, it works perfectly. I also renamed the form to Book and Mini Course, then headed over to Settings and Integration. I replaced the confirmation message with, "Thank you for your payment. You will receive an email shortly with access to your purchase." Next, I went to Email Settings and added a notification with the name you want. Here, I named it Book Notification. I also got the shortcode to use in both emails. Then, I filled in the subject using the shortcode and customized the message as needed. Then, I fixed the message body and replaced the link with the correct one we fixed earlier. Everything is ready. The email will be sent only if the condition is met. I chose Config Routing, then Send to Email, and set the condition: if the product to buy equals Windows Troubleshooting ebook, then the email will be sent. Otherwise, it will not. After you finish, save the settings, then go back to Email Notifications. I will duplicate the same notification and make slight changes to create the video notification. Under Configure Routing, I will set the condition to send the email when the product to buy equals Fix Your Slow PC Video. Then I'll edit the subject and email body accordingly. Once done, save the notification. Now let's build the landing page. It's a simple landing base. I will add bases and copies as shortcodes from Fluent Forms, use them in the page elements, and make some minor customizations. Finally, let's test it. When I select a product and click the PayPal payment button, it redirects to PayPal to complete the payment. Emails will only be sent once the payment is successfully completed. For testing purposes, I will go to Form Settings, then Integration, and finally, Notification Settings. I will edit the notification to send the email after form submission instead of after payment success, so the email will be sent immediately when someone submits the form. Testing it now, as you can see, the email was received with a direct link to the ebook. I forgot to mention that instead of sending a direct link, you can also attach the PDF or video file as an attachment. To do this, go to Notification Settings and scroll down to Media File Attachment. Here, you can upload the media file and send it as an attachment rather than a direct link. I'm happy to say we have completed a little system for selling digital products. Sends an email with the purchase details and download link after the user completes the purchase. And that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. In the next video, we'll be tackling a more advanced project, so stay tuned. If you have a project you'd like help with, feel free to email me or leave a comment below. I'm always happy to assist or even create a tutorial to guide you through it. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.